Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get 4K quality on a CapCut. So this is quite basic, so the thing that you have to do now is just go open your CapCut application. Whenever you open the CapCut application, now you just need to find the document that you want to save, or you can also create and start editing again from the beginning. But then if you already have the project, just open the project. And I already have the video here, and let's save this video into the 4K quality. And to do that, you just need to take a look on this bottom side. So this is a symbol or the button to export or save this video. And before saving this video, you just need to take a look on this part, this boxes with 1080p, and they just need to go click it. So this is the platform or sections that you can edit the resolution and quality of the video before you saving it. If you want to get the 4K quality, just drag this point into this 4K, but you need to concern into the size. So you already have this 12.4 size for this video in 1080p, so that the higher the resolution will be, also the bigger size you will get for the files. Let's see, drag into this 4K and you will see that's already increased like twice times bigger. So we already have that 12 MB before, and now it's increased to 30.9. You can also do a change for the frame rates. If you want to make it like smoothly work, go into the 60, and it also will make your files become bigger. And whenever you're dealing with everything, you just need to go click this part to export and save your video into your phone. So that's the way how to get 4K quality video on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.